Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to open a Monzo account. It's going to be a very easy tutorial. And once you launch the Monzo app, so click here on I'm new to Monzo, and then you need to enter your email address and then go ahead and click on next. Then you need to just go ahead and check your email. So open your email app, and here I want you to click on a login to Monzo. Basically, you're verifying the email address. So once we open the app again, it is going to welcome you. Go ahead and click on next. Click here on Let's Get Started and start the sign up process. So you need to choose which account you would like. So select the account you would like and then go ahead and click on Next. Then you need to enter your full legal name and date of birth. Then click on Next again. You need to enter your UK home address, okay, your home postcode, and your country of residence, and then click on Next. If you live outside the UK, go ahead and click on this, but I'll just go and click on Next. They need to, of course, confirm your address. Okay, then click on yes, this is correct. Enter your phone number. Then go ahead and click on next and they'll send you a verification code. Type this in, click here on next. Okay, so they verified your phone. Now you can click here on yes, please. Okay, so here you will be giving some of your identification documents. Go ahead and click on let's get started. So you need to say whether or not you're a British citizen. If you are, go ahead and toggle on yes. And which industry do you work in? Choose that and click on next. Okay, now they're going to verify identity. So go ahead and click on get started. You need to take a photo of your valid photo ID. Okay, make sure it's not expired. It's clear and easy to read. And the whole ID is in the picture. Go ahead and click on I'm ready. And you can choose what kind of ID you'd like to use. So it's either a passport, a driving license, or a national identity card, or you can also use a UK biometric residence permit. So choose whichever one and submit that document. Next, you'll have to record a short video of yourself, and you'll need to actually say the words that will appear to the camera so they can, match to you to your photo ID. Okay, then go ahead and click on I'm ready. And then whether or not you have a US citizenship, they'll actually ask you a tax residency outside the UK. If so, click on yes, I do. Otherwise, just click just the UK. Then read and confirm the declaration. Click here on confirm declaration. And then they will go and verify your account information. Usually it takes, between 5 minutes and an hour, sometimes up to 48 hours. Just bear in mind and check back the app later. They'll also send you an email confirmation. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.